Now I am going to explain you about completely randomized design problem. Here is one problem. The following data involves 4 treatments A, B, C, D are applied to 20 animals and the observations of gaining in the weight of animals are observed. Analyze the data using CRD. Here treatments are given A, B, C, D and their gaining weight with unequal intervals, unequal treatments they have given. So we have to perform completely randomized design. So first of all we have to set null hypothesis H naught from. We have only treatments here. As it is completely randomized design, it is similar to one-way ANOVA. H naught from mu1 equal to mu2 equal to mu3 equal to mu4 or mu AB B equal to mu C equal to mu D. So here same as it is like one-way ANOVA, we have to calculate the data like this. We have to take the totals row wise and divide the totals based on the observations. So ti square, ti dot square divided by 225 divided by how many observations are there in A. So here 5 observations are there, 225 whole square by 5. So we will get this value. Similarly here 3 1 square divided by, so this value is obtained by 3 1 square 312 whole square divided by how many observations are there in B, that is 4. So we'll get this value. Similarly all the values. So we have to find out the total of ti dot and ti dot square by ni. So this is grand total. G equal to summation over I summation over j, yij equal to ti dot square. This is known as grand total. So how many observations are there whole together in our problem is n equal to 20. Next one is we have to calculate correction factor. We have to calculate correction factor. Correction factor formula is given by g square by n is equal to, like this we have to calculate. It is similar to your one-way ANOVA. Raw sum of squares, we have a formula. Each and every observation squaring and adding, you will get a raw sum of squares. After that calculate total sum of squares. TSS is equal to RSS minus correction factor with n minus 1 degrees of freedom. So TSS is equal to, we have calculated, we got this value. With n means 20 observations are there, 20 minus 1 is equal to 19 degrees of freedom. Sum of squares due to treatments. So SST equal to, this is the formula, summation ti dot square by ni minus correction factor with k minus 1 degrees of freedom. So SST is equal to how many treatments are there? A, B, C, D, 4 treatments are there. So 4 minus 1 is equal to 3 degrees of freedom. Sum of squares due to error SSE. SSE is equal to TSS minus SST with n minus k degrees of freedom. So SSE is equal to 16402.03 with 16 degrees of freedom. After that we have to plot ANOVA table. So this is an ANOVA table. So here is sources of variation, sum of squares, degrees of freedom, mean sum of squares, F ratio. In source of variations we have treatments and error. So this is the values just now we have calculated by using the formulas, degrees of freedoms. So mean sum of squares can be calculated by sum of squares divided by with respect to degrees of freedom, will get mean sum of squares. For errors also similar. So here only treatments are there. So FT we are calculating. So FT is mean sum of squares of treatments divided by mean sum of squares by error. So this value is 1.37. This value is known as calculated value. So we have to take table value follows F tables from 3, 16 degrees of freedom. So here conclusion. Only for treatments we are writing conclusion. FT equal to 1.37 at 5% in question. They have not mentioned any level of significance, so we are taking 5% level of significance at 3, 16. That table value is 3.01. FT calculated value is less than table value. This calculated value is less than table value. Therefore H naught may be accepted. So that is, what is that H naught is accepted? The treatment's effect do not support the gain in the weights of animals. Treatments do not differ significantly.